All right, everybody, we're searching for the best strategy. Everybody's got to make that quest, and the best way to do it is to try everything. I'm using a demo account, and these are my playbook strategies right here. I'm trying to figure out which one I like and which one do I do good at. And after hundreds and hundreds of trades, I've got strategies from Fibonacci to trend line breaks to moving average to range to fade the resistance, you name it. But this last one I got right here, limited risk intraday swing, intraday swinging. I got 73 trades in it already. It's 87% accurate on 73 trades. Now, that's not thousands of trades, and there is a catch to this particular strategy, but some of these strategies only got one trade, and here's 57 trades and 31 trades, and it's not that many yet. But the average rate 78% is the next one, I think, for momentum plays. I like those, but I use those inside the intraday swing. So some of these plays that we have actually work together. I can use inside this intraday swing. I can use the trend line break. I can use fade resistance. I can use, in all these almost. Turtle soup happens a lot. So I don't even need to use this one anymore, which was 83% accurate. Here's a 92% accurate range bound. Now, this intraday swing up here does best in a range bound market. If it starts moving big and especially against you, it's very tricky, very tricky. So what we do when we're looking for a strategy, we try all these videos on YouTube. We try every strategy. We study, we practice, and we start to get a feel for what we're good at and what we like. Okay, so the moving average strategy that I have with the trend line breaks is one of my favorites. I just like it. And I noticed that some people are getting used to seeing those kinds of videos, and I understand that they're probably getting used to that. Right here, trend line break, moving average strategy. It's 67% accuracy so far on 57 trades. I like it, but I don't know if that's going to be my main trading strategy on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you might see a bunch of different strategies on my YouTube channel. If you're trying to figure out what you like, then this channel is good for you. Eventually, I'm going to settle on something that actually does well. This one I've made the most money in, and I have one of the highest probabilities of and win rates. And it's not the win rate, it's not the money. It's just I like to do it. It relies on liquidity sweeps, and it's really interesting because you put your buys. You buy where everybody else is selling, and I love that. I love that, and it's pretty cool. And I'm going to be doing a lot of this intraday swing trading, LRIS. It's got a limited risk, and if I talk to you about it right now, I'd have to break down the whole thing about how much you can lose on that particular trade if you don't know what you're doing, because if price falls against you, you have to have your limit already set. And we'll talk more about that. If you want to learn more about it, keep watching the videos. I'm going to still do the trend line break strategies. I'm still going to do all kinds. I'm going to incorporate Fibonacci. I incorporate Fibonacci in this a lot. And it's just, all of it works together, guys. All of it works together. And I made a video about this recently, and somebody didn't like it, I guess because they're getting used to the moving average trend line strategy. But look at all these trades that I took yesterday. And all of these trades were about 94% accuracy. I think I lost one or something like that. And I could show you what it was. Let's check it out.